Let's be real, we've all been there, drowning in to-dos with zero time to spare. But what if you could accomplish more in less time and still enjoy life? That's where productivity hacks come in. By managing your time effectively, you're opening up space for the things that truly matter. In this video, I'm sharing 10 of my favorite productivity hacks to transform your daily routine. So, are you ready to unleash your inner productivity ninja? Let's do this. Let's kick things off with the Pomodoro technique, a time management method that can transform the way you work. Ever feel overwhelmed before even starting a task? You're not alone. Many of us face this challenge daily. This technique is your new best friend, designed to help you break down your work into manageable chunks. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus solely on one task. This period is called a Pomodoro. During this time, eliminate all distractions. No checking emails, no social media, just pure focus on the task at hand. Once the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, grab a drink, or just relax. This 30-minute cycle, consisting of 25 minutes of work and 5 minutes of break, is your Pomodoro. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with focused work. Each Pomodoro helps you make significant progress. Regular breaks act as mini rewards, keeping your motivation high and preventing burnout. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 30 minutes. This helps you recharge and maintain productivity throughout the day. Plan your tasks ahead of time and prioritize them. This way, you know exactly what to focus on during each Pomodoro. Checking off completed tasks gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated to continue. Give the Pomodoro technique a try and see how this simple yet effective method can revolutionize your workflow and boost your productivity. Staring at a never-ending to-do list? Not all tasks are created equal. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when everything seems urgent and important. But what if there was a way to sort through the chaos and focus on what truly matters? Enter the Eisenhower Matrix, a prioritization tool that will change your view on to-dos. Named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower, this method helps you decide on and prioritize tasks by urgency and importance, sorting out less critical tasks which you should either delegate or not spend much time on. Picture a 2x2 grid, urgent and important, not urgent and important, urgent and not important, not urgent and not important. This simple yet powerful tool can transform how you manage your time and tasks. Categorize your tasks into these quadrants. Start by listing all your tasks, then place each one into the appropriate quadrant. This visual representation helps you see where your focus should be. Urgent and important tasks need immediate attention. These are your crises, deadlines, and problems that require swift action. They are the tasks that, if not completed, will have serious consequences. Not urgent and important tasks contribute to long-term goals. These are your strategic activities, planning, and relationship-building tasks. They are crucial for your success, but don't have the same immediate pressure. Delegate urgent and not important tasks. These are tasks that need to be done quickly, but don't necessarily require your expertise. By delegating, you free up your time for more critical activities. Ditch not urgent and not important tasks entirely. These are distractions, time wasters, and activities that don't add value. Eliminating them can significantly reduce your stress and increase your productivity. Focus on what truly matters and gain control over your workload. By using the Eisenhower Matrix, you can streamline your tasks, reduce overwhelm, and ensure that your time is spent on activities that drive success and fulfillment. In today's fast-paced world, multitasking is a myth. Our brains can't effectively focus on multiple complex tasks simultaneously. Instead of multitasking, embrace single tasking. Choose one task, eliminate distractions, and give it your undivided attention. You'll complete tasks faster and to a higher standard. Over time, your ability to concentrate improves, leading to greater productivity. In a culture that glorifies the hustle, taking breaks can feel counterintuitive. We often think that pushing through fatigue and working longer hours will lead to greater success. However, this mindset can be counterproductive. But our brains need regular breaks to function at their best. Just like any other muscle in our body, the brain requires rest to recover and perform optimally. Think of breaks as mini resets for your mind. These short pauses can help clear mental clutter, reduce stress, and improve focus. Stepping away from work allows your brain to recharge and come back refreshed. This can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving abilities. Studies show that regular breaks improve productivity and creativity. When you take time to rest, you give your brain the opportunity to form new connections and generate innovative ideas. Aim for short, intentional breaks throughout the day. These can be as simple as a 5-minute walk, a quick meditation session, or even just standing up and stretching. Step away from your desk, get some fresh air, or stretch. Physical movement can help increase blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and overall well-being. Taking breaks is a strategic investment in your productivity and well-being. By incorporating regular pauses into your routine, you can maintain high levels of performance and avoid burnout. Remember, it's not about working harder, but working smarter.
Thanks for watching. You now have the tools to boost your productivity and achieve your goals. Remember, small changes add up. Start implementing these tips today and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips and resources. See you in the next video.